In the next episode, a child physiologist appointed to evaluate the display orphanage with resistance will unexpectedly become the key to Tioman memory. The psychologist will ask Aras and Tioman to participate in separate interview because their public confidence is affected the younger children. Afras will operate, hoping the evaluation keep help will keep have the group together. Tioman will refuse at first, assuming everyone of treating him like a problem that need to be repaired. Dennis will pursue him to attend by the saying the meeting is not about proving his damage, it is about understanding why certain uh, Dennis will pursue to stand by saying the meeting is not about proving his damage, it is about understanding why certain memory caused him to lose control during the section. The psychologist will place a several ordinary object on a table, a toy car, a red scarf, a metal cup, and a small clue board. Tioman will react violently to the board, knocking it to the floor and insisting he has never seen it before. The psychologist will force him to continue, but she will never. Later, Hakan that his response suggests a memory connected to where and water. Hakan will become alarmed and demand that the interview stop. His reaction will make Layla suspected the clue board something from the night after the accident. Aras will ask one of the older workers whether they ever on such a toy. The worker remembered that Aras carried a blue board when he first arrived. When it disappeared after a man visiting him, Aras has no memory of the visit. Back instead of backing down, the psychologist revealed that she was assigned randomly years earlier. She worked as an assistant at the hospital where the boy was treated. She recognized Tioman the moment she saw him, but she needed him to remember without suggestion because official testimony alone will be attacked. She explained that after the accident, one child repeatedly drew a clue board with free figure inside the drawing were Aras follow with Layla, but the weather worsened and Tioman Janual Aras reaches him and talk him through a panic attack, physically draw him away. Tioman remember him transport across the water at night with a can and the frightened child whose face he cannot see. He also remembers Sibnam waiting on the shore. After returning, Tioman comfort both adults. Sibnam admits she was there but insists the second child was not Aras. The psychologist then showed them a surviving copy of the one drawing.